Remote control for your LED lighting. Easy installation. Plug-and-play assembly. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty. Forget the switch. Rough Country's LED wireless remote control makes it easy to power your LED lighting on and off without the need to run a switch into your cab. The handy wireless relay plugs into your light bar's wiring harness, allowing you to operate your LED light with a convenient remote control. Wired switches can require complicated installation, such as running through the firewall, disassembling your dashboard, door jamb, or a pillar, and in some cases drilling into the cab. This innovative wireless remote skips the headache with an easy plug-and-play assembly that simply couldn't be easier. Top reviews from the United States. Very good remote, works better than the Anzo I purchased previously. The remote feels great in the hand, very solid. Has great distance, works better than the Anzo I purchased previously. The only thing I dislike about it so far is that it is a single channel remote, and I would have preferred a 2 remote for my application. But I knew that before I purchased the item, so it is not a knock on their very good product. I would purchase this item again. And I may purchase 2 more in the near future to replace the item I previously mentioned.